All right, current situation, you know, it's Operation Kitchen time. Clean the kitchen, and then I can't even focus on getting these groceries put up yet. I have to get this stuff cleaned. So let's do this. Hey you guys, welcome back, and if you're new here, welcome. This is gonna be yet again another kitchen clean with me. It is absolutely gross again. It's real life. So I'm gonna tackle this kitchen, and let me share another place that I'm gonna tackle right here. You see this? Ever since our stuff got delivered, it's been like this, a catch-all, and I haven't had 2 seconds. So after I get through cleaning the kitchen, Mr. was gonna start cleaning. I mean, he's gonna cook after I get through cleaning the kitchen, and then I'm gonna come over here and tackle this section here, and then move on from there. But yeah, look at this. It's just random stuff. That's where I had the little tape up there. It's still there. It's just stuff everywhere. So this is what, look at this. Our mission right now. So get this cleaned. I took off these, and I need to get this stuff put up or put somewhere. So let's clean. Let's clean. Is about to cook the fish, because we're gonna have fish tacos, and I am gonna rest and comb hair. So there you have it. He's cooking some good old cod.
Cod life.
Hey. This is gonna be our dinner. Fish tacos. Looks so good. Cornell did awesome.
Yep, Darnell did awesome.
Yay. We appreciate it. So we're finna dig in. Yum dum. The sauce.
I do it Mexican and Italian.
We're enjoying our food so much. It's a bit messy, but it is so worth it. So yummy.
You gotta get in there, you know. You gotta
So good. Well, dinner was awesome. I got everything cleaned up and finished everything else that needs to be done. All the dishes are done though, so that is a major step. When everybody go to sleep, I'll get the floors done because they're really, see that need to get cleaned up, but I did get the groceries put up. So I'm gonna do my floors after this and then finish up cleaning this kitchen. But everything's looking good. Look at that, so pretty over there. Y'all. Hey you guys, I'm back. I have gotten hair combed. My family is all in the bed, so it's kind of like finishing up after dark kind of clean. This part of the kitchen is already completely clean besides the floors. No dishes. Stove is all done. I need to put this up. We left leftovers out for my daughter. She was doing a project or whatever, but this table is clean. I've already wiped that down with glass cleaner and all that stuff. So now, okay, so this is what I want to tackle here, and then my kitchen will be completely clean. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and clean this out, pull everything that does not belong. Like, look, I still got a fireplace and all that stuff here. I just need to get this together because it's kind of been like this right after the move and we haven't tackled this spot yet. So yeah.
I love the nighttime because it rains every day. I know you're not fine when you say you're okay. So follow me and we'll find something more than this light. 'Cause I love the nighttime. 'Cause I love the nighttime. They say there's no comfort in the dark. I say it's how we find out who we are. So don't listen to them.
Alrighty, I got this section clean. Oh my goodness, it looks so good. So happy for it. So I just left I added this in when my household goods came in. This is my Versace vase. And I just put the little Versace thing back there as well. See? There you go. Alrighty, so this is how this is looking. Just my little wines and my little wine candle. Look, it match the bottle and the candle match. How cute is that? Alrighty, and then it just has a few little crystal sticks on there. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do, since we're literally a few days away from Halloween, I do have, oh, look at that, my coupon in here. But I do have these little boo napkins that I have from last year. I'm gonna go ahead and sit them out and just make this little section a bit Halloween-y, just for a few days. Nothing major, so I'm gonna go find whatever I have around here. I know my kids, that little one, he's really gonna love this when you wake up and see this in the kitchen. Halloween stuff, we're just gonna fan that out. We're just gonna leave that there. Let me go get the rest of the stuff that I have. So I have this black vase, and it already had these little bricks from years and years ago that I have bought. And then I have these little things I just picked up the other day at Hobby Lobby for like 50% off. I don't even know what they're for, but I'm gonna go ahead and stick them in this vase as well. These came from Target Dollar Spot, and when I was in Germany, Darnell sent them back last year, and they said they were $1 from the Dollar Spot. Glitter pumpkin. Do I want this tray in here? Maybe I'll put the vase. Okay, I do have these little mini pumpkins. This is all the real pumpkins that we have around here. And like I said, it's pretty late here. It's like 11 o'clock at night, so this is what I have. Well, I did have a tall black candle. I just had it, but I'm just gonna leave this short black one here just to bring a little more sparkle. So that's what it's gonna look like. All right, so this is my completed kitchen. I'm about to put these towels over here on the stove. All right, you guys, I am completely finished with this kitchen. As you see, this is going to be our little festivities here on this little counter. So I guess this will be my little seasonal little decor here. So really cute and simple. That's all I had here at the house. It's really late at night, so I just pulled out what I had. I think it's cute. You know, during the week I may pick up a few more things. Definitely going to grab some candy. Probably Monday or Tuesday. Let me fix that. My little boo, they're cute. Alrighty, I'm gonna go ahead and get this floor done. This table and all that is so cute. Look, I added this rug in. This is one that we already had and it matched so well. So I just left it here. It's two-tone and just like over here in the curtains. Can you see the curtains? How they're two-tone? And the carpet matched perfectly. So I took this, it was sitting in our living room just because. And yeah. And this is the rest of the kitchen right here. I need to get that stand mixer over there washed down. And now I need to find a new home for it, since I never put it up since it got unpacked from the shipment. And I also need to find a house somewhere to put these beautiful glass that I got it from the Crystal Factory in Germany. They're so beautiful. Yes, so I'm gonna get that washed down, but right now I'm about to do my floors and I need to put that leftover food up, and then that's it. I'm done. I'm tired. So I hope you guys enjoyed rocking out with me as I cleaned, cooked, and decorated a little bit, somewhat simple. Okay. I will chat with you guys on the next one. Thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.